What are the habits to avoid? Starting a study session without a plan. See? If you have no plan, if hindi ka organized, hindi mo alam kung ano yung next moves mo, it could lead you to problems that you can encounter along the way. At hindi lang yan para sa mga magte-take ng CBLE next year. Para din to sa mga students natin ngayon. Take note, sa mga modules ninyo, may mga syllabus kayo, use the syllabus as your guide. Use that as your plan. Next, waiting until the last minute to start an assignment. Ano to? Ito yung favorite term ni EJ na procrastination. I do not want sir to procrastinate, 'di ba? Yung mga last minute natin, no? Let's try to avoid that as much as possible. Spending hours studying but not getting anything done. Mahirap 'yan. Mahirap 'yan. Aral tayo ng aral, walang pumapasok sa utak natin, pero at the same time, hindi natin alam. How do we measure that? How do we assess ourselves? Next, being distracted by social media and cell phones. Ayan. It's a distraction. But later, I will discuss kung paano yan magagamit as tool. Next, studying in front of the television. Hindi lang ako sure kung meron pa rin nabukas ng TV sa kanila, sa mga bahay nila. Dito sa amin, hindi na namin nabubuksan gaano yung TV kasi lahat kami naka-cellphone na halos lahat. Pero, mahirap nga rin naman yung nagsa-study ka sa harap ng TV. Next, trying to cram for test the night before. Next, not asking the teacher for help when you don't understand. Of course, during this new normal, expect ninyo na one message away lang dapat yung mga teachers ninyo. If hindi ninyo maintindihan, ask away. Your teacher will be happy to guide you. Hindi kayo papabayaan yan, maniwala kayo. Nakakalungkot lang minsan kasi yung iba, rather than asking the teacher for help, yung iba magtatanong kasi hindi namin to naintindihan. But then again, binibigyan naman kayo ng time para mag-ask ng questions. Next, studying to remember instead of studying to understand. Diba? Next, never using an agenda. Never laying out your plans, never laying out your objectives for the day. Next, keeping disorganized notes. O, diba? Ito, keeping disorganized notes. Halimbawa, yung mga CAO na yan, superseded na pala yan. Mga CMO na yan, luma na palang CMOs yan, pero tago-tago mo pa rin. Kapag hindi na natin kailangan, it's just an added space. So, ano na natin yan, it's high time na linisin natin yung mga study areas natin. And then last would be not learning from your mistakes. Okay? So, by the end of your study time, kailangan may evaluation ka sa sarili mo. You try to assess yourself. From there, malalaman mo kung ano yung hindi mo pa alam sa alam mo na. And from there, you can learn from your mistakes. So let me be specific for the CBLE reviewees. For the CBLE reviewees,